And the race is on. Henry Hill from the outside. Keyboy, Epira, Fields of Gold, Wonderleb, Touch of Gold by the rally entry number 1. Gabby's Choice alongside is Raon on the further outside. Entry number 7, Lakay by the Kate Ganda. As they race the last 900, Epira, number 2, by about 2 lengths, followed by Henry Hill, Touch of Gold, Kate Ganda down on the inside, Wonderleb, racing on the outside, Gabby's Choice in between runners, Lakay, alongside Fields of Gold, Raon, second last. As they race the last 500, Epira, Henry Hill, Wonderleb on the outside, Kate Ganda, Touch of Gold, Lakay by the Rad, Gabby's Choice, Raon, Fields of Gold as they race the final corner. Epira, number 2 by a length and a half, Henry Hill, Wonderleb on the outside, and still Epira by a length and a half, Wonderleb, Henry Hill by the Rad, Gabby's Choice, Lakay, Raon, and nearing the finish line, Epira, number 2 by about 3, and finally Epira, second, Wonderleb, Henry Hill, Raon, Lakay, and Gabby's Choice. Super 6.
Okay, 294 ang ating unofficial order of arrival.